Hello guys, what's up? In this video we're gonna be unboxing Honor 8X, and you can see the box is pretty simple. There is no specs and all, and I actually bought this from one of the Chinese websites, so it's actually the different unit. And you can see that they have also given me this case and this little travel adapter. I think it is provided by the seller, so yeah, it's pretty good. Let's keep this to the side and let's get straight into the phone. And you can see that there is like a plastic, but if you see the seal, it is actually open, but there's nothing to worry. Let's get straight in, peel out this plastic. I will tell about the specs in detail once I give the overview. So yeah, and here comes the plastic, and you can see that yes, it is actually opened. Let's quickly take out this box, and yes, there you can see the tempered glass. I think this is not included in the box, it has been added by the seller, so it's pretty good for me. And you can also see that the bezels are so slim, and this has the 6.5 inch IPS LCD display, and it feels really compact. And I actually bought the blue color of this phone. You can see that yes, it is blue color. And yes, let's keep this to the side for a while, we'll come back to it. And then you get this sticker and then SIM ejector. Okay, and there is one more case. I think this is like provided by the company. Yes, it is. It feels a bit better than the one that is provided by the seller, and this is the one that I got from the seller, and actually the one that is in the box is better, as I said. So yeah, let's keep this to the side and quickly look at the other accessories. And then you get this cable. This one doesn't have USB type C, and then the charger. This is not a fast charger, 5V 2 amp, and yeah, that's pretty much it. No earphones. So let's quickly look at the phone, and even though it's a big phone, it is very light. It weighs only 175 grams, and you can see that looks super cool. The shade looks beautiful as well. Let me quickly take out this sticker, and okay, so you can see that just looks beautiful. I bought the blue color and I'm pretty happy that I got the blue one. So let me quickly compare it with Redmi Note 5 Pro. You can see they are almost similar in size, even though it has a smaller display, and thickness wise maybe I think Redmi Note 5 Pro is a little bit slimmer. So yeah, that's pretty good. Let me quickly give you guys an overview. On the back you get 20 megapixel f1.8 aperture with 2 megapixel depth sensor, LED flash, has the AI feature, fingerprint sensor, and then the Honor branding. And at the very bottom we get charging slot, 3.5mm headphone jack, mic and speaker. On the right you get power key with volume rockers, and on the top you get this secondary mic, and in the front you get 6.5 inch IPS LCD display with 16 megapixel camera which can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Let's quickly move on to the camera, guys, and this is not like the full camera review. We'll take some pics, and here we go. And the thing I like the most is the color accuracy. You can see the colors are really accurate, and initial impressions are really good. And in the second pic as well, you can see the color of the box is exactly the same. The pic, all the pics look super crisp. And then I tried the portrait mode as well, which worked really good. I really like the blur effect and all. Now this is not the full review, as I said, but I will be doing the camera comparison in my future videos, so subscribe if you're not. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And moving on, I really like this phone doesn't have an annoying hybrid slot. You can use 2 SIM as well as the micro SD card, and it's again something that Honor 7X doesn't have. So yeah, it's pretty good if you want to use 2 SIM and also the SD card. So yes, let's quickly move on to the camera and look at the options. Now you get this video option, you get the photo, you get the portrait shot, you get the night, aperture, and even if you go to more, you can see that you get the AR feature, time lapse. This phone also have the slow motion, and in the camcorder you also get this GPS, and also these are pretty much the same. Every Honor phone has it. And then the beauty mode also, you can see, you can enable it. So yeah guys, let's quickly check out the fingerprint. I have already scanned my fingers, and here we go. So it is very fast now. These days every phone has a pretty good camera sensor. But let's check out the face unlock, and boom, straight in. Let's try one more time, and you can see that it is fast. I think maybe it is faster than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I don't know, I'll be doing a face ID comparison as well. So going into the setting, you can see that this phone has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, and it's running Android 8.1 Oreo. So I guess that was a quick unboxing and the first look of Honor 8X. I'll be making more videos, camera comparison, speed test. So make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'm making this video just for you guys. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, and as always guys, peace out.